Hey everyone! If you've ever tried to access Instagram on your school Chromebook and hit a wall, you're not alone. Let's take a minute to explore some easy methods to get around those restrictions. Most schools impose restrictions on social media sites like Instagram for various reasons. But what if you need to connect with friends quickly? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First up is using a VPN. Simply search for a trusted VPN provider, download their app, and install it on your Chromebook. Once installed, open the app and connect to a server. After a few seconds, you will be ready to surf the web securely. If a VPN isn't an option, try using a proxy site. These sites act as intermediaries and can help you access blocked content. Simply enter the URL of a proxy site into your browser, search for Instagram, and you're in. Another handy trick is to use incognito mode. This might help bypass some filters. To do this, open the browser settings and select New Incognito window. Then, access Instagram like usual. Before you dive in, always prioritize your digital safety. Respect your school's policies and use these methods responsibly. In summary, you now have 3 effective ways to access Instagram on your school Chromebook. Give them a try, but remember to stay responsible.